Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then within this section, click on the Notifications button. And next to the Auto Follow Comments section, click on the white circle. And once it turned green, the notifications are on. And as you can see, there are different subtopics like new messages, new content, new awards. So for example, if you click on new awards, you can set if you want to receive web, mobile and email notifications. You can just turn them on or off depending on your preference. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.